Hi everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how I made this curtain, which is a granny square 3D flower curtain. And all you need to do is you need to measure the size of your windows and make these granny squares. I have the link in my description, you can check the tutorial. And right now we will do, this is the part 3 of the tutorial. We need to connect all the squares. You need to do a slip knot. And this is a 3 double crochet, chain of 2 and 3 double crochet. We will insert the hook right in the front loop here in the chain of 2. And in the other side of this square, and insert your hook in the back loop. Yarn over and pull through 3 loops on your hook. And just repeat, insert your hook in the front loop and back loop. When you're at the end, you just need to connect or continue doing the granny squares in the front loop and back loop. And voila, we've finished connecting all the granny squares. This is what it looks like. And now we will do the outline of the curtain. So this is what you need to do. You need to do a chain of 1, 3 double crochet in this line, and in the corner 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And we will insert the yarn right here. We will do a chain of 3, chain Okay, and add 2 double crochet, 1 and 2 double crochet, and then chain 1 and do a 3 double crochet in the next space, just continue doing that, and in the corner of the curtain you just need to do 3 double crochet, chain of 2 and 3 double crochet.